Morning.
Hey guys.
So we're getting off the ship today.
We are sad, yeah, but we're heading back to Florida.
Yes.
We're going to pick up a hire car and we're going to spend an afternoon evening in Disney. Not in a park, just Disney Springs.
Yeah, I thought I'd be okay with it, but I'm sad.
Are you not going to a park?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's going to be weird being that close, not going into a park.
Yeah.
But yes, Virgin Cruise has been amazing. I really loved it. I said last night it's been amazing so many times.
Yeah.
But it has been. I'm sad about getting off.
Yeah, also, my throat's still not back, so...
No, it's a bit.
Sorry. We're all packed up.
We are, yeah. We've still got too much stuff.
People in therapy are often there.
Go around. Sad.
Yeah.
With people in their lives who won't go to therapy. I have a job, it's actually quite fulfilling.
Just booked an Uber.
To the bright line.
Yeah, it's 12 quid you said?
Yeah.
And it's 2 minutes away.
Yeah.
Easy. That was really easy getting off the ship. Really easy.
Yeah,
Too easy. Or it's staying a bit longer. Don't want to go off.
Though my hairline is thinning, I barely do anything.
We beat them, so we used Uber and they used Lyft. That's 2 times we both beat them.
I read self-help books, I do meditation, walks in the woods, a new destination.
I've never been to a Joe and the Juice. I'm excited. They've got juice and Joe. A juice, I think. We're picking our juices.
Well, any enjoy, we just got off the Virgin Cruise.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That one doesn't sound very nice.
No. Put me up there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. We got Joe and the Juice.
We have, yes. It looks right, look at that.
It was very expensive.
The detox starts now though, because we drank a lot.
At Disney.
Wow. Sort of starts now. we drank a lot.
Yeah.
What did we do? We nearly done our bar tab.
Yeah.
It was like close to it. So that meant we spent what, 600 in 5 days.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's what we needed.
Sit with my feelings. Sometimes I'm even journaling.
We're back on the bright light.
Yeah, we're going that way, I think.
I think we're going that way.
Back to Florida.
Well, I don't know.
Didn't we come in this way? We came in this way, didn't we?
Yeah.
Back to
I think we're going that way.
Are we?
We came in this way.
Yeah, I think.
We came in that way.
No, we came in down that door.
We'll find out, I
You know
guess.
what? Nobody knows which way we're going. We're just going that way.
Back to Disney. That's fun now. I'm going to be going to Disney. So it's a bit of a better, you know, than just going home.
Yeah.
I got a full-time job, though no one pays me, and it's all thanks to you.
Do that sandwich.
We have sandwich, Pringles and a Diet Coke.
And I've gone for
I just want the sandwich.
It'd be nice to spend an hour or so going through photos and sorting things out on Instagram. That was really nice, yeah.
Yeah.
I like to have time to do that before we go back.
Not going back yet.
I know, but nice to have it all sorted before you get it in the right places.
How's your train journey so far?
We're getting there, it's comfortable. We've got what, hour and 15 to go, I think?
Yeah.
So it's not too bad. And then we get a car at +1, and that'll be it.
Yeah.
So it is, yeah. It's really comfortable, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, as easy as that.
Did it!
Orlando.
Yeah.
Gotta find a car now.
I get to pick.
discussions to be had, but some picture cheap in Canada, so probably won't win.
We're picking our car up from Enterprise, and that's at Terminal 2 or maybe 401. We just went to 4, it's not there.
Now we've got to go to 2.
Or 1.
Let's try 2.
Try again.
Okay, that's better. You're cooking. That's better.
That elevator's defective.
It's not in 2. So
it's not on 4, it's not on 2, it's got to be on 1. Back in the elevator, back to level 4.
Different lifts though.
yeah, true.
This is a nice one though, I like this one.
Okay, good. We got this Suburban. Someone's had a jelly bean accident.
Nice. Fine.
It looks good. You're happy with their decision?
I am, that's what we ordered, yep. It's big enough.
Look at all that cases.
Not too much stuff.
I'll keep that in the back, John. I need my water.
Too much stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
Happy?
Happy. Yeah,
Cool.
I like it. That's what we had in Texas with Mum Kelly. It's amazing.
Yeah. I didn't get to pick, which is sad, because I wouldn't have picked this. But it's nice.
No, I
is
mean,
nice.
it's fine if you got room to do that.
Some days I wish I had a relationship status. Then I remember last time I ain't got time for that. I have a job, it's actually quite fulfilling. Though my hairline is thinning, I barely do anything else.
How was the drive?
I love it, I love that car. It's amazing. Yeah, it's a bit busier than I thought it would
Yeah.
be. It always feels, I don't know, quicker on the way to the airport than going to Disney.
Yeah, it does.
I always forget it's quite a long drive really.
Yeah.
But yeah, I love it. I love that car.
So,
We're going to nip to Publix.
see if I can get some throat sweet.
Yeah, you sound like you've had like 20 cigars. So yeah, we're going to get some hopefully for Emma. Bob and Kelly's picking up our Starbucks. What's amazing. Thanks for that. Yeah, that's the plan.
Yeah.
Then I think check into your room hopefully.
Yeah.
And then head for some fried chicken.
Ooh.
I'm so excited. I love getting back here. Got all the medication. Right. Hopefully that'll sort your throat out. Because these sound like Pat's Butcher. They got so many cool like drugs here. We get none of this. So hopefully that's enough to sort Emma out. Fingers crossed. She feels fine, it just sounds awful.
Yeah.
So yeah, hopefully this will be alright. We'll sort you out.
We're ordering John's chicken. You can't see it. Mostly John.
Mostly John's.
Yeah, we're going to Trails End and we're gonna pick it
Yes,
up
I do.
and then
Couldn't
take
wait
it back.
2 minutes.
So excited. So we're gonna go pick it up. We're just here for the chicken. Just the chicken.
Yes we are.
Just here for the
We've been
chicken.
craving this since the last time we had it.
John says we.
When was the last time we had this? What year? It's been a long time.
Yeah. Pussy's here.
It feels like we should be going to the park. We're in Disney. It feels like Disney. We should be going to the park.
I read self-help books, I do meditation, walks in the woods, a new destination.
Okay, I'm using John as my translator.
I'm using John as my translator. We mobile ordered. Yeah, we're excited to be here. It feels weird that we're so close to Disney, we're in a Disney resort, and we're not going to Disney.
I wanna go in.
It feels like, it is, you know what I mean? It feels like Disney, and I want to go in, yeah. But we'll be back soon.
Next
I'm
time.
sure. We'll be back soon.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to the chicken now.
Yeah.
I've been
I
fancying
got a
it.
poison Fanta.
Yeah, look at the colour.
Poison.
How's the tablets? Or is the sweets, whatever you got? Better?
Yeah.
Cool.
The chicken is here.
Telling you.
Give us the food tour, John.
Got chicken. We've got mashed potato, that looks amazing. We've got French fries,
Yum.
also amazing.
Cornbread.
Cornbread and mac and cheese.
I've already started on the mac and cheese.
I'm hungry.
Go for it.
Yeah, this is amazing. Alright, dig in.
I sit with my feelings. Sometimes
We didn't quite finish it all. That means we've got chicken for later, what I'm excited about. That was so nice. Really enjoyed that. Yeah, I love that. As good as I remember, if not better. How about you?
Yeah, it was yum.
It was love. The mashed potato was nice and I remembered.
Yeah.
That was really nice.
And the mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese was good, yeah. Chicken was even better though. It was amazing.
Big black horse.
So we're just about to check into the Wilderness Lodge. I think Kelly's already got the room number. But I don't think we've stayed here before and it's really pretty. But I think we've visited it. But John's just parking the car. He won't be a second. And then I'll get him to translate. So.
I'm even journaling. I got a full-time job, though no one pays me, and it's all thanks to you.
Yeah, we just dropped the car off. We just came in here. It's so nice in here. This is lovely.
I think it looks like the Animal Kingdom.
It does a bit, yeah. It's lovely.
Okay. Let's find some.
Number we got behind?
5210, I think.
Okay.
John's breaking the lift. Way to go, John.
Why not? He's elevator vlog today.
Yeah.
The lift. Look, a teepee. Do not TP on the wall. Got too much shit.
If you want a full tour of the 2 bedrooms, then check out Bob and Kelly. But this is the room.
Massive.
This is how the other side lives.
This is massive.
Look at this wardrobe.
Bigger than my bedroom.
Yeah, it is. Let's see the bathroom. Nice. That'll do, donkey, that'll do.
Well, that was lovely, yeah. Absolutely stunning.
Yeah, and a balcony.
Wow. That's lovely.
Okay, so we're going into Disney Springs for the evening.
We are, yes. That was an awesome, awesome day. We had a train from the ship to...
A ship, a train, a car.
Yes, all of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love it here. Just
Yeah.
now, spend the evening in Disney Springs.
So catch that in the next vlog.
Absolutely.
We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit subscribe. Give us a thumbs up with a notification. I'll see you in the next one.
Absolutely. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.
Hi guys.
Hi.
We just want to tell you that we love you.
Secret. Shh. Whisper.
Thank you so much for coming all this way
Yeah.
to spend Bob's birthday with us.
Woohoo! Happy
It
birthday.
means that was you.
I know.
Okay. It means a lot to us, and we just can't wait for our next trip together. And we just wanted to tell you that we love you bunches, and have a safe trip home.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Love you. Bye.
Hopefully nobody kicks off or stinks
Or
on your
trumps.
plane.
Or trumps on the plane.
Or trumps on your plane.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Love you,
It won't
bye.
be Bob because he won't be there.
No. Okay.
Okay.
Love you. Bye.
Love you. Bye.